Now to the latest on the coronavirus. New cases being reported as it turns deadly in the U.S. for the first time. The person who died, a man from Washington state in his 50s with underlying health conditions. There are now at least 69 cases in the U.S. The states affected: Washington, Oregon, California, and Illinois as well. Now globally, we are up to 87,000 confirmed cases with more than 2,900 deaths. Our team coverage begins with ABC's Kaylee Hartung in Seattle. Good morning, Kaylee.
Good morning, Eva. Just as American health officials reassure us that 80% of coronavirus cases are mild, the CDC is sending a team here to Washington state to help investigate a potential outbreak among the high-risk population at this nursing home.
This morning, the first known novel coronavirus death in the U.S., leading Washington's governor to declare a state of emergency. The death occurring in this hospital near Seattle. Overnight, the New York Times reporting researchers now believe COVID-19 has been spreading in Washington state for some 6 weeks.
We are having increasing cases in the United States, and we expect to see increasing cases locally.
The CDC saying the man who died was in his late 50s, a hospital patient with underlying health conditions. He had no known travel abroad.
The COVID-19 situation is rapidly evolving on a global scale. And in Washington, we are starting to see some spread of this virus.
Meanwhile, just a few miles away from that hospital, health officials warning of a potential outbreak at this nursing care facility after 2 people tested positive and dozens more are now showing symptoms and being tested.
And we're in the process of investigating this situation as an outbreak.
All of this coming amid several newly discovered cases in California and Oregon, people who haven't traveled internationally or had close contact with people known to have the virus, leading experts to worry COVID-19 may be spreading through West Coast communities.
The Washington case was the first death in the U.S., but he wasn't the first American to die with the virus. In early February, a 60-year-old man died in Wuhan, China.
All right, Kaylee Hartung for us in Washington state. Appreciate it.